This is the complete guide to OpenAI, the AI research company that launched the modern AI era with ChatGPT in 2022 and continues to build the most widely deployed AI models in the world. GPT-4o powers ChatGPT in hundreds of thousands of applications via the API. O3 is the most powerful reasoning model available. Sora generates cinematic video from text. DALL-E 3 generates images. Whisper transcribes audio. By the end of this video you will know every OpenAI product, how the API works from first principles, how to use O1 and O3 reasoning models for complex developer tasks, how Sora works and how to access it, how fine-tuning, embeddings, and Whisper work as specialist APIs, how OpenAI compares honestly to Anthropic, Google, and Meta, every pricing option, and 8 pro tips for dramatically better API output. Let us get into it. OpenAI was founded in December 2015 by Sam Altman, Greg Brockman, Ilya Sutskever, and several other researchers and entrepreneurs including Elon Musk, who later departed from the board. The original structure was a non-profit research lab. OpenAI later transitioned to a capped profit company to allow it to raise the capital needed for frontier AI development. Microsoft has invested over $13 billion and is a strategic partner. The company launched ChatGPT in November 2022 and it became the fastest consumer product in history to reach 100 million users. Today, OpenAI's product portfolio covers the full AI modality stack. GPT-4o is the flagship language model, multimodal, fast, and cost-efficient, powering both ChatGPT and the developer API. The O-series models, O1, O3, and O3 Mini, are reasoning models that think through problems step by step. Sora generates video from text. DALL-E 3 generates images from text. Whisper transcribes and translates audio. The stated mission is to ensure that artificial general intelligence is developed in a way that benefits all of humanity. Let me walk through every major OpenAI product. ChatGPT, the consumer AI assistant used by over 200 million people weekly. Available free and on paid plans via chat.openai.com. OpenAI API, the developer platform giving programmatic access to GPT-4o, O1, O3, DALL-E, Whisper, and Embeddings. Sora, the text-to-video generation model. Describe a scene and Sora generates a cinematic video clip up to 20 seconds long. DALL-E 3, high-quality text-to-image generation, available in ChatGPT and as an API endpoint for developers. Whisper, OpenAI's speech-to-text model, available as open source for self-hosting and as an API endpoint for transcription and translation. Embeddings, convert text into numerical vectors for semantic search, retrieval-augmented generation, and text classification. Operator, an AI agent that uses a web browser to complete tasks autonomously, navigating websites, filling forms, and executing multi-step workflows. Fine-tuning, customize GPT-4o Mini and other models on your own labeled training data to adapt them to your specific domain or task. The OpenAI API is far more than a simple chat interface. Chat completions is the core endpoint. Send a messages array and receive a model response, with optional streaming for real-time output. Function calling lets you define tools the model can invoke. The model decides when to call a function, extracts the parameters, and you execute the function and return the result for a final response. This is the foundation of most AI agent workflows. Structured output forces the model to return valid JSON matching a schema you define, eliminating the need to parse or validate model responses manually. The Assistance API adds threads for persistent conversation state, file search over uploaded documents, and a code interpreter sandbox. The real-time API streams audio and text simultaneously for building low-latency voice AI applications. The Batch API lets you send up to 50,000 requests at once at 50% lower cost than standard API calls, ideal for high-volume processing tasks. Vision lets you send images alongside text to GPT-4o for analysis, description, or reasoning about visual content. And context caching reduces cost on requests with long repeated prefixes by caching the shared portion and only billing for the unique parts. Here is how to get started with the OpenAI API from scratch. Step 1. Go to platform.openai.com and create an account. New accounts receive free credits to get started. Step 2. Navigate to the API Keys section and generate your first key. Store it in a .env file or a secrets manager, never in source code. Treat it with the same care as a password. Step 3. Install the official SDK. Pip install OpenAI for Python, npm install OpenAI for Node.js. Both are official OpenAI packages and handle authentication and retries. Step 4. Set your API key as an environment variable called OpenAI_API_key. The SDK picks this up automatically so you never have to hardcode it. Step 5. Make your first chat completion call using GPT-4o Mini. Start with the Mini model for development. It is fast, inexpensive, and shows you the response format immediately. Step 6. Add payment credits in the billing section. $5 to $20 is plenty to start. Monitor your usage in the dashboard to understand your cost profile. Step 7. Explore the playground before writing more code. The playground at platform.openai.com/playground lets you test any model, adjust any parameter, and prototype prompts interactively before committing to an implementation. Here is the workflow for building your first production AI feature. Step 1. Define what your feature needs to do in one sentence. Vague features produce vague AI outputs. Precise task definitions produce precise results. Step 2. Write a system prompt that defines the role and the output format. Tell the model who it is, what task it is performing, and exactly what format the output should take. Step 3. Use structured output to enforce a JSON schema. Define the exact fields and types you need. The model always returns valid JSON matching the schema, eliminating all output parsing errors. Step 4. Test with 10 to 20 real examples before connecting to production. Understand where the model succeeds and where it fails before exposing it to real user data. Step 5. Add retry logic and error handling around every API call. Rate limit errors are common under load. Exponential backoff handles them without crashing your application. Step 6. Instrument with logging. Log the token counts and model name for every call so you have visibility into cost and usage from day one. Step 7. Build an evaluation set before you ship. Run the same evaluation against any prompt or model change before it reaches production. Sora is OpenAI's text-to-video generation model, released in December 2024. It generates cinematic video clips up to 20 seconds long from a text description. Access is available to ChatGPT Plus subscribers via Sora.com, with higher resolution and longer clips on the Pro plan at $200 per month. Developers can access Sora programmatically via the OpenAI API. Sora handles several input modes. Text to video, describe a scene and Sora generates the clip. Image to video, upload a still image and Sora animates it with natural motion. Storyboard mode lets you build multi-scene stories with consistent characters. And camera control instructions like slow dolly in, orbit left, and crane up work directly in the text prompt. For the best results, structure your prompt with 6 elements: subject, action, environment, camera move, visual style, and mood or atmosphere. For consistent characters across multiple clips, use the exact same character description in each prompt. Sora represents OpenAI's entry into AI video generation and is its most direct competitor to tools like Runway ML. The O-series reasoning models are the most significant addition to the OpenAI developer toolkit since GPT-4. O1 was the first reasoning model. Before producing a response, O1 generates an internal chain of thought that works through the problem step by step. The thinking process is not shown in full, but a summary is visible. O3 is the most powerful reasoning model OpenAI has released. It leads on third-party benchmarks for mathematics, coding competitions, and scientific reasoning tasks. O3 Mini provides reasoning capability at lower cost and higher speed, a good middle point between GPT-4o and full O3. The practical consideration for developers: reasoning models are slower and more expensive than GPT-4o. They are not the right choice for every task. Use GPT-4o for the majority of everyday tasks: summarization, writing, analysis, general coding, and conversation. Use O3 Mini when a task needs more careful reasoning but speed still matters. Use O3 for the hardest problems: formal mathematical proofs, complex algorithm design, intricate multi-step debugging, and scientific reasoning where correctness matters more than latency. Both models are available via the standard chat completions endpoint with model names O1 and O3. 3 specialist OpenAI APIs are worth understanding in detail. Fine-tuning lets you adapt a base model to your specific domain using your own labeled training examples. A fine-tuned model learns consistent output formatting, domain-specific terminology, and task-specific reasoning patterns from your data. GPT-4o Mini is the most cost-effective base for fine-tuning. A fine-tuned mini model often outperforms a non-fine-tuned GPT-4o on domain-specific tasks at a fraction of the inference cost. Embeddings convert text into dense numerical vectors. These vectors power semantic search, retrieval-augmented generation, text clustering, and classification. Text embedding 3 large gives the highest quality. Text embedding 3 small is faster and cheaper for high-volume pipelines. The Whisper API accepts an audio file and returns a text transcript. It supports 99 languages and can both transcribe audio in the original language and translate it to English in a single API call. Whisper is the same model OpenAI uses internally and is also available as open source for self-hosting. Who uses the OpenAI platform and what do they build? Product developers integrate GPT-4o and structured output into SaaS products to add AI features without building models. AI startups use the OpenAI API as the core AI layer of their product, building on top of frontier models rather than training from scratch. Enterprise teams build internal AI tools for automation, document processing, customer service, and knowledge retrieval. Data scientists use embeddings to power semantic search and retrieval-augmented generation pipelines over large internal document collections. Content platforms use the API for content generation, moderation, summarization, and tagging at scale. Voice AI builders use the real-time API to build low-latency voice assistants and conversational interfaces. And research teams use OpenAI's frontier models for access to the most capable AI available for their experimental work. Here is what developers are actually building with OpenAI right now. A SaaS company adds an AI writing assistant to their product using GPT-4o with structured output to ensure every generated piece follows the right format and tone. A legal tech startup fine-tunes GPT-4o Mini on their internal contract review data and achieves comparable quality to the base GPT-4o at 80% lower inference cost. A customer support platform uses function calling to automatically route and categorize incoming tickets by extracting the relevant fields and passing them to the right systems. A healthcare startup transcribes clinical consultation notes with Whisper and then passes the transcript to GPT-4o to extract structured medical data. An e-commerce platform generates embeddings for 1 million product descriptions and uses semantic search to return relevant results for natural language queries. A voice AI startup uses the real-time API to build a phone agent that handles customer calls with sub-second response latency. A research team uses O3 to work through formal mathematical proofs, reviewing the step-by-step reasoning for correctness. And a media company uses Sora to generate video concept clips for client creative presentations in hours instead of days. Here is the honest comparison. Versus Anthropic's Claude, OpenAI has the GPT store, Sora for video, Operator for computer use, and Whisper. Claude is widely regarded as producing higher quality long-form writing and more consistent reasoning over very long documents. Versus Google Gemini, OpenAI has broader model variety and a deeper developer ecosystem. Gemini has deeper integration into Google Workspace and the Google Product Suite. Versus Meta's Llama, OpenAI is fully hosted with enterprise support, the GPT store, and Sora. Llama is open source and free to run locally with no licensing restrictions. Versus xAI's Grok, OpenAI has a vastly larger ecosystem and the full product suite. Grok has unique real-time access to X data. Versus Mistral, OpenAI has significantly greater scale and product breadth. Mistral provides European data residency and strong compute efficiency. Versus DeepSeek, OpenAI has the GPT store, Sora, and a much larger developer ecosystem. DeepSeek is open source and offers API pricing approximately 18 times cheaper. The honest summary: OpenAI has the broadest product suite and the largest developer ecosystem. For cost, open source freedom, or specific capabilities, other providers may lead. 8 tips that consistently produce better results from the OpenAI API. 1. Write a precise system prompt before anything else. Define the model's role, the exact task, and the expected output format. This is the highest leverage single change in any API integration. 2. Use structured output for any task that returns data. Define a JSON schema, set response format, and the model always returns valid schema-compliant JSON without exception. 3. Use GPT-4o Mini for all development and testing. It is 15 times cheaper than GPT-4o and fast enough to surface all issues. Upgrade to GPT-4o for production when you have confirmed the quality meets requirements. 4. Use the Batch API for any processing task that does not require a real-time response. 50% cost reduction for the same output. 5. Think of function calling as a routing mechanism. The model decides which function to call and what parameters to extract. Your code executes the actual logic. 6. Set temperature to 0 for structured tasks and factual retrieval. Eliminates randomness where you need reproducibility. 7. Build an evaluation set of at least 50 examples before shipping any prompt or model change to production. Silent regressions are the hardest AI bugs to catch after deployment. 8. Use O3 only for tasks that genuinely need it. Most tasks that seem to require O3 level reasoning are actually handled well by GPT-4o. OpenAI pricing covers 2 separate tracks: ChatGPT consumer plans and API costs. ChatGPT Free gives you GPT-4o with limited daily usage, basic web search, and limited DALL-E access. ChatGPT Plus at $20 per month gives full GPT-4o access, O1 and O3 mini reasoning models, Sora video generation, Canvas, and DALL-E with higher limits. ChatGPT Pro at $200 per month gives unlimited O3, higher resolution Sora, and the maximum usage limits across every feature. On the API side, GPT-4o costs $5 per million input tokens and $15 per million output tokens. GPT-4o Mini costs 15 cents per million input and 60 cents per million output. O3 is significantly more expensive given its compute requirements. O3 Mini sits between GPT-4o and O3 in both cost and capability. The Batch API reduces all of these costs by 50% for asynchronous workloads. For new API accounts, OpenAI provides free trial credits to get started before adding a payment method. My recommendation: ChatGPT Plus is the best $20 subscription in AI productivity tools. For API use, start with GPT-4o Mini and upgrade to GPT-4o only when you have confirmed the quality requirement. Here is everything you need. Start at platform.openai.com, create an account, get free credits, and make your first API call within minutes. The full API documentation is at platform.openai.com/docs. API pricing for every model is at openai.com/API/pricing. For Sora video generation, go to Sora.com, available on ChatGPT Plus and Pro. All links are in the description below. If this guide helped you understand the full OpenAI platform, subscribe. I publish complete, honest guides to every major AI tool every week. Now go make your first API call. See you in the next one.